y'all, welcome to my channel if you're new and welcome back if you're returning. Girl, let me tell y'all how I managed to obtain hair breakage, sores in my scalp, and all kinds of craziness in a matter of 72 hours. Okay, it all started when I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair in a protective style for like 6 weeks and just leave it alone. So I decided to use crochet braids. I always use the dreads. I love the dreads. I love the red hair. So, but I don't want to dye my natural hair red because I don't want the damage. So I went ahead and I put my hair in, cornrows and did what I always do. I do this all the time. So this time, I don't know what was different because I used the same type of hair that I always use. I didn't get a different brand. So I don't know why all of a sudden my scalp started tripping, but I put the locks in and I did a couple videos. Then all of a sudden I noticed my scalp was itching. Now I don't have dandruff. I don't have any types of scalp issues. I don't have dry scalp. I don't have overly oily scalp. My scalp is balanced. All of a sudden I'm itching like crazy. Like my scalp is just on, it started itching. And I was like, why is it itching so bad? Then the itching started turning to burning. I put the locks in my hair Friday. By Saturday night, my scalp started burning. And I was like, this is weird. So now I'm really like, it's irritating to the point where I hopped in the shower and I shampooed my scalp because I was like, I don't know what's going on, but I went ahead and I used the Redken Extreme, the blue bottle. So that's the one with the protein complex. So I washed my scalp and it seemed to help a little bit, but not really. Because by Sunday, now my back of my hair, all of my hair, it felt like it was on fire. So I went to work and I was telling somebody, I was like, you know what, something is wrong. And he was just like, he was like, well, what are you feeling? Maybe just because it's new, put some water on it. Okay, whatever. Monday night, I wound up taking the locks out. I had to. And I mean, this is like, I had like 3 packs, 4 packs, and they were not cheap. So I was happy because I was like, it looked good, but then I had to waste my money because I was like, okay, locks or no locks, I feel like I'm about to be bald headed when these things come out. So you see I'm itching right now. So I went ahead and took them all out. I left the braids in, shampooed my braids again. All the itching, the burning, everything stopped as soon as I took those locks out. I was like, it itched so bad. I have never itched like that in all of my life. It was crazy. It was horrible. So I left the braids in for another week. And I just took the braids out today. So as you can see right now, I have chunky twists in my hair. I just put a bunch of twists. I'm about to go ahead and wash my hair. So these are in there. But as I was taking my cornrows down, I was like, okay, I know I'm about to be bald headed because I felt like I lost a lot of hair. I don't know why, but my scalp just felt more free. I felt more air on my scalp than normal. So this is what I found. I found sores in my head. I found blood patches. I found all kinds of stuff. I know it's a little bit graphic, but there were 9 of these. These were just like 2 of the bigger ones that were in my hair. So y'all, this is all the hair I lost. In a matter of 72 hours, I managed to lose this much hair. Like, this is way too much hair. I don't shed like this. This is breakage. This is not shedding. If you caught my wash videos, any type of maintenance videos, just me talking about my hair, period, I always show when I comb my hair out, when I detangle my hair, how much shedding I have. This is like, if I hadn't washed my hair for maybe like 5 or 6 weeks, I could understand this level. But the braids were only in my hair for 3 days. There's no way I had this much hair loss, but this much hair loss and sores and everything else. So now I'm about to nurse my scalp back to health. And when we talk protective styles, like, we are really about to hit this protective style game hard. Protective styles to me are styles that you can put your hair in. Oh my God. And it just doesn't, you don't have to mess with it. You don't touch it. So the least amount of manipulation possible is the name of the game. So I'm about to wash my hair and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all what products I'm gonna be using because I never grease my scalp. I do not put grease on my scalp. But since we have this irritation, I still feel, like I said, I just showed you, I had the scabs. I picked them off because I'm a picker. It's bad. But I picked them off, but I still have like irritation and I have damage to my scalp. So because of that, I need to focus on getting my scalp back healthy for the next maybe couple of weeks before I try to do anything to my hair. So I'm not doing anything tight. I already don't use any heat. I don't use anything on my hair, so that's not an issue. But anything like braiding the cornrows, anything to the scalp, I'm not doing any of that. I'm gonna keep life real simple, and I'm about to nurse this scalp back to health. But before I do that, I want to do a quick length check. I don't put heat on my hair, y'all know that, so it's not a real accurate length check, but I'm just, I detangled, so I'm just gonna comb my braid out and compare it to the other pictures. So let's see if there's been any progress in the last couple months. So as you can see, I am the worst person in the world to be doing length checks because I never actually comb my hair when I take a picture of my length. But as we can see, that was like November 2019, right around Thanksgiving. I am right around armpit length. And now we're in June 2020. And as you can see, it is way past armpit length, and it's not even combed out. So right now I would say I'm like waist length. My hair was freshly washed out of the shower. My scalp felt so much better. And at this point, this video was taken about 3 weeks ago. My hair has been in the same twist. Look at that shrinkage. So my hair has been in these twists for about 3 weeks. I'm gonna leave them in for about another 2 weeks. I have a total of 12 twists in my hair, but you can just see I'm using Texture ID products, a couple other things, and you see the order that I'm layering them in. Make sure you guys have subscribed to my channel, hit the blue bell for notifications, and thumbs me up, and I will definitely be doing another video, so make sure you have the notification bells turned on. I forgot her name. She's a YouTuber, but she has a different process for how to layer the products, and I'm actually going to try her method in my next hair video. So as you can see, I'm going in with my Blue Magic Organics. I just use a little bit of it, and what I take it and I go down the length of my hair, and I'm also doing my scalp because I did have the damage, the sores and the irritation. And just that little bit is perfect to just seal in the product that I have. It seals in my moisture, the water, and the products I put on. So my style of twisting is a little different than your traditional twist because my hair does not have a lot of volume, and usually if you do a twist out, you want the volume. And because I have thin strands and low to sparse to medium density, what I do is I take 2 strands. So it's a 2-strand twist, but I twist each strand and then I twist this twist, if it makes sense. If it doesn't, comment down below. I can kind of show you my technique that adds volume to the hair. And also for me, because of the job that I do, I wear a hat, so I don't need the length of the twists, and I'm not gonna untwist my hair for a twist out. So I don't need to I don't need to stretch my hair to show the length. As a matter of fact, the more shrunken my hair is, the easier to be for it to fit under my work hat. So that's why this technique works a little better for me. So as you see right there, I twist each piece and then I twist it, then I twist a twist. So I'm twisting each piece and then I'm twisting the twist. If you don't know what I'm talking about, comment down below. I'll definitely do a close-up and show you guys what I do. So for me, having 12 twists in my hair works perfectly. There will be no twist out since this is a protective style. I will leave my hair in these twists for 5 weeks until my next wash day. And yeah, that's about it. So everyone have a good one. Thank you for watching the video. And like I said, if you have any questions, just comment down below and we'll do this again next time.